Hey there, future investment moguls! Today, I'm going to show you how to create a diversified investment portfolio in just 3 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, 3 minutes. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, what is a diversified portfolio? Simply put, it's spreading your investments across different assets to reduce risk. Imagine not putting all your eggs in one basket. If one investment fails, others can keep you afloat. Sounds smart, right? All right, step 1. Assess your risk tolerance. Are you a daredevil or more of a safety-first person? Knowing this helps you decide how much to invest in stocks, bonds, and other assets. More risk can mean more reward, but also more potential for loss. So be honest with yourself here. Step 2. Allocate your assets. A super simple rule is the 60-40 rule. That's 60% stocks and 40% bonds. Stocks can offer high returns but are riskier, while bonds are safer but with lower returns. You can tweak this ratio based on your risk tolerance. Step 3. Diversify within those asset classes. Don't just buy any stocks, buy a mix. Large cap, small cap, international, you name it. The same goes for bonds, government, corporate, short-term, long-term. Step 4. Consider alternative investments. Real estate, commodities like gold, or even cryptocurrencies. These can add extra layers of diversification and potential growth. But remember, they come with their own set of risks. Step 5. Rebalance regularly. Your portfolio will shift over time as markets move. Check in, maybe every 6 months, and adjust back to your target allocation. This keeps your risk levels in check. All right, let's wrap it up. A diversified portfolio isn't a one-size-fits-all. Tailor it to your financial goals and risk tolerance. Keep an eye on it and make adjustments as needed. And most importantly, have fun with it. Investing should be an exciting part of your financial journey. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more investment tips. Until next time, happy investing.